Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techwithdeepak. Today we will review about Volvo XC90 car. Price: the XC90 is now priced at 96.50 rupees lakh, ex-showroom Pan India. Variant: it is only offered in a single variant, B6 Ultimate. Seating capacity: the XC90 can seat up to 7 people. Engine: the propulsion duty is carried out by a 2-liter, turbo petrol, mild hybrid engine, 300 PS/420 Nm, mated to a 48-volt electric motor. An 8-speed automatic transmission sends power to all 4 wheels. Features: Volvo's luxury SUV boasts a panoramic sunroof, 4-zone climate control, powered front seats with massage functions, air suspension, a 12.3-inch all-digital instrument panel, and a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with a Bauer & Wilkins sound system. Safety: on the safety front, the new XC90 gets 7 airbags, radar-based adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance, front and rear, and city braking system, blind spot detection with cross-traffic alert and run-off road protection. Rivals: the Volvo XC90 gives a tough competition to the Mercedes-Benz GLS, BMW X5, Range Rover Velar and the Audi Q7. Specification of Volvo XC90. Array mileage 17.2 km per liter. Fuel type petrol. Engine displacement 1969 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 4. Max power, bhp at RPM, 300 HP. Max torque, Nm at RPM, 420 Nm. Seating capacity 7. Transmission type automatic. Body type SUV. Ground clearance unladen 223 mm. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my